Ow, 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 Jesus. Such a disaster. And guys, look at my eyes. Black liquid. Oops. I need to go and wash my eyes. You guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be my maintenance vlog, and I want to apologize for the noise outside. Somebody's generator is on and it's so frustrating that I cannot go and tell them or beg them to turn it off. So please, I apologize. I'm using a mic. I hope it's loud enough. I'm trying to be loud enough as well, although I have a very low tone, but I'll try my best to talk as loud as possible. So in this maintenance vlog, I'm going to show you guys my I'm going to show you guys like 20% of my skincare routine. I'm going to also show you guys all of my skincare products, every single one of them, and how I use them, when I use them, and in the manners I use them. Okay, I'm also going to recommend some of my skincare products to you guys. So today is Thursday. I didn't go to work today, although I'm not supposed to go to work today. I was supposed to go to work yesterday, but I was sick. I fell sick on Monday and I had to take leave of work because I could not go to work while I was sick, obviously. And I'm recovering now. I'm still on medications, but I feel better now. So I just finished showering and I want to do my skincare before I do a vlog. The vlog is going to be my sewing vlog, and it's my first sewing vlog on this channel. So I'm going to post the sewing vlog before this video. So if you're watching this video, know that I've already posted my sewing vlog for my Pinterest outfit, so you can go through my channel and check the videos out. Let's start. Guess what, guys? They just brought the light. Which means I'm still going to do my sewing videos with the sewing vlog together. I'm so happy. So first thing I do is I usually dab my face. I'm going to take off my braids very soon, but not now. So this is the cotton I use, the cotton pad. I use the regular cotton pad because I don't see any difference. If these ones are clean enough and healthy enough for nurses to use them. Oh, they just turned off the gen. So I just usually damp my cotton pad in water because you're wasting your products if you don't damp your cotton pad before applying your toner. So I usually damp mine with water. If you don't damp your cotton pad in water, it's going to make you use more products than you're supposed to. So that's why your toner is always finishing fast. So always dilute your toners just by damping them in water. They just turned off their gen. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my god! I hope they don't turn it back on. Oh my god. Now next up is going to be my CeraVe lotion. I don't use this for my body. I use this only for my face because CeraVe is expensive, and I have my body lotion. I'm going to show it to you guys. So I just apply this all over my face and my neck. This is my body lotion. Yes, I use baby lotion for my body. And after applying that, I usually go in with this, my CeraVe sunscreen, which I'm going to just apply all over my face. Why do I use my baby lotion on my face? Well, because CeraVe body lotion is also good on the facial skin, and it's very expensive, so I cannot use it for my full body except I have that much money. So after this, I usually go in with baby oil, just a little bit of it. If you know your skin is oily, you don't need to, but I do so because I have a normal skin. I don't have a dry skin, I have a normal skin, so I usually just put oil on top to seal in the moisture. I do this morning, but at night it's different, so I'm going to show you guys my night routine. And then after this, I go in with my Vaseline lip, I don't call it, it's my lip balm actually, but it's not really a lip balm, but that's what I apply on my lips. Then my roll-on, and my body spray. I forgot to apply this one, but it's usually for night, so there's no need applying it this morning. So I'm just going to spray my body before applying this, my body lotion. So this is the Cousins baby lotion, but if you know better lotions, you can actually buy them for your body, but these ones work, they work very well for me. So I'm going to also apply the baby oil in my body to seal in the moisture. That's pretty much it. Very simple, very demure, very cutesy. I also like to smell nice. I like to smell like beach summer, not dirty beach. I like to smell like tropical beach summer, all those things. So yeah, that's it. And now I'm going to go and create my sewing vlogs, my sewing videos, my sewing tutorials, and my sewing introduction, like the vlog intro. I'm going to film it after this video that I'm filming right now, and that's pretty much it. So I'm also going to take out my braids very soon. I'll take them out when I'm at work, and then I'm going to style. I'm not really an outgoing person, so I like to do everything indoors. So I'm going to show you guys all of my maintenance, all the cheek maintenance at home in the next video. Stay tuned. Still the same oil. It's like my multi-purpose oil, so I just use it to shine my edges. Guys, don't mind my broken mirror. It actually fell and scattered. Ow, 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 Jesus. Fuck. Such a disaster. I need to be more careful. Damn, guys, look at my eyes. Black liquid. Oops. I need to go and wash my eyes. I just rinsed it up, so I'm good now. So it's time to be very careful. I've rinsed it off, so just line it again. This is the first time I'm making a mistake while lining my eyes. The first time. So it's not an issue. So I'm just going to line my lips. I want to go in with some cherry burgundy color. Guys, I hate sharpening these things because they don't last. Anytime I sharpen it never lasts. So it's so stressful sharpening. So I'm just going to gloss my eye. And then gloss the top. I want to add pink to my lip gloss collection. So whenever I go to the store, I'm going to buy pink, like a bright pink gloss, so I can mix pink with this. I need to see what it pick like. I need to see the outcome of mixing pink and this lip liner. So that's it. Now I have to begin my sewing vlog. So if you want to see me, the clip of my maintenance vlog is going to be right after this, so there's no need. But after watching this video, don't forget to come over to my channel and check out my sewing vlogs, so you can also keep up and watch my sewing vlogs together. See you there. I forgot to add my smell nice routine baby powder. So this is how I do it. I apply baby powder on the corners that I usually apply my perfumes. So baby powder, it's not really baby powder, this is Pond's, like a magic powder, but it smells so nice and so delicious. So when I apply powders on these corners, I just take my perfume. I'm not applying perfume, I'm applying the body mist. But if I have to apply perfume, I usually apply perfume on top of the powder. That way it lasts longer, along with my body oil. It smells so delicious, so nice. I love it when people ask me, hi, what kind of perfume do you use? Or I love your smell, I love your perfume, I love the way you smell, la la la. I just want to eat you up. I love that compliment so much. I'm blushing. So let's get into the video. These are the products I used in this video, and then this is my skin up close. So I also want to show you guys my sewing machine. So this is my machine. So heavy. It's a Singer machine. You can see clearly, and it's mobile. So I was filming when I got a call that my orders from Temu had arrived, so I had to go and pick them up. So guys, I want to apologize because I did not end up doing my maintenance vlog in this video. So the only thing this video is about is my skincare routine, And when I go back home, I had to quickly get into the sewing video, which is like the Pinterest inspired outfit video that I had to make. And this is the next week. I'm picking up my braids, like I said, and I'm going to go wash it off and do my hair. But I'm not going to film all of that. I'm just going to style my hair by myself for my next video. Now, this is the next day. I had to style my hair by myself so I could film a whole bunch of videos for my contents. This was the hairstyle that I made. I just put my hair up in a ponytail and then I used extension attachment, the actual attachment, to wrap my hair in a ponytail and just fixing those cute little flowers. When I was done creating content, I was thinking of what else to do. So I was like, why don't I just unbox all of the things I ordered from Temu and show them to you guys? And that was exactly what I did. I had to do an unboxing video, but I filmed that separately. So if you want to know all of the things I ordered and how they were, go through my channel and I'll see you guys there. Bye.